Good morning, my name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my shop today. I'm in here getting ready for deer season. Yes, I know it sounds early, but I want to try to build a bullet this week. So all you guys that we got talking about reloading last winter, those series are going to continue on. I know that I've gotten away from them for spring fishing and all that and summertime projects, but every once in a while we're going to push one out. I got up this morning to a thunderstorm and all of that, so I decided today was a good day to pour some bullets. And it's supposed to rain tomorrow and Monday, I guess. Supposed to be just a nasty few days. So what I'm pouring today, I got a fan going in the background. Hope that's not driving you too crazy. But it's hot, you know, summertime here, so I will turn the fan and get the smoke going out the door here pretty quick. But right now I'm waiting for lead to warm up. So what I'm getting ready to pour is some 30 caliber bullets, 173 grain flat nose and 170 grain round point. And I am pouring them out of lino type. That is a Bernal hardness of 22. I want to try to push the velocity up. So by doing that, I need to up the grade of lead that I'm putting in. So I'm hoping this Bernal hardness 22 will do the job. The bullets that I am pouring also have a gas check on the end of them. So I will be gas checking them, and I will be putting the grease to them. And I'm going to test out some that have the powder coating. So I'll be pushing these bullets down the rifle in several different methods and see which one works the best. Because what I'd like to do is I would like to build a bullet for my deer season this coming fall. So as early as it is, I mean right now we are not even into July, but before you know it, deer season will be here. And if I wait right up until November, I won't have a bullet that I want. So now is the time to, when I can sneak it in, we got a lot going on, but when I can sneak it in, that's what I am doing. So pour the bullets today. I'll probably load up some cartridges tomorrow with these bullets that I am pouring today, and then go from there. And I'll bring you some test results. But right now, everything that I am studying and learning about lead cast bullets, I like. So that's anybody that's been following the reloading part of this. This is going to continue right on with that stuff. I know it's gotten away from the original part of the reloading, but bullets are bullets, so you can take whatever you pick up from my reloading stuff and put it in with your regular bullets that you buy for reloading. Not a problem there. Just make sure to stay in your manual. That's all I can say there. Is don't take any of your information for the gospel that comes off the internet. Make sure to do your own studying. Make sure to do your own recipes. You know, and I say that, get them right out of your reloading manuals, or get them out of the Hodgson. Hodgson has a app that you can go in, punch in the powder, punch in the bullet, and they will punch you out weights and all of that for powders. But make sure, don't just take somebody else's recipe off the internet, because you don't know if they're qualified to be giving you that recipe. So trust your own gut, trust your own research, and stay in that manual. But what I am melting down in there is 5 pounds of linotype, and then I've already got my molds on the heater ready to go. I plan on making 400 or 500 bullets here this afternoon, maybe more, give or take. But that'll set me up with plenty of bullets for testing, and have some left over for the fall hunt. So I think that will be pretty good. I've always been that way anyways. I like building my own equipment. That's one of the reasons I got into reloading in the first place, is because you give yourself an extra pat on the back when you shoot a deer with the bullet that you've made. And I've been doing that for almost 40 years. Every deer I've taken, every bear was taken with a bullet that I made, and it just makes it a little bit sweeter. And that's why I like to see people getting into reloading and learning it. And it's another skill under your belt. With all this lead that I've acquired this year, and the molds and all of that to go along with my powder and all the other reloading that I've done for the last 40 years, I will have plenty of bullets to feed my guns. So that's all that I care about, and that's what I wanted to share with everybody with this series on reloading. It's a good feeling to know that you've got enough bullets to feed your own gun no matter what happens in the crazy world of bullets right now. And I don't believe it's over as far as shortages and stuff like that. So don't hold back. Now is the time. If you can get your hands on the primers and powder and lead, all of that, buying your bullets. If you can get a box of bullets out of the bullet manufacturers, by all means set aside a couple of boxes. Doesn't mean you got to set aside $1 billion, but set aside a couple of boxes to keep you well stocked for your own rifles, because running out of bullets is not a good place to be. If I ran out of bullets, I think my wife would throw me out. If you're at least not handy, then you better be skilled. I can't quite remember red green. Anybody my age will know who red green is. I got a coffee going here somewhere. I'm just waiting for this thing here to come up to temperature. And once it does, I'm going to start pouring some bullets. Not quite. Getting there. All the molds that I'm using today, I bought on eBay, and all the molds I haven't used yet. So today will be the first time that I am pouring bullets with these 3 molds. Like I said, I've got I didn't say that, I guess. I've got a 22 caliber 55 grain gas check. That's for my 223, and then I've got a 173 grain 30 caliber bullet, and I've got a 170 grain 30 caliber bullet. One's a flat nose and one's a round nose, so I'll make a couple hundred of each with any luck at all, and then get them filled up and then start testing them. Throughout the summer months here, I will have some time to go to the shooting range and give them a test. That's all that matters. I'm going to enjoy my coffee here today in the shop. I'm going to pour as many bullets as I can. I'll bring you back. I'll make sure you get a little taste of what this is. But I don't really want to concentrate on camera work today. I want to concentrate on making bullets. Making as many as I can. Just because time crunch here in the summertime. So I'll see you next week, and you guys have a great day.